How to edit Facebook Reels after posting. So if you want to edit your Facebook Reels after posting, then first you need to open up your Facebook. Once you open up your Facebook, you need to go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon. Go with Profile. Under Profile, you need to scroll down and you may have the Reels option right here. But if you don't have, then you can go with More and you will have the Reels option. Or you may have your Reel right here. So once you're under the Reel, now if you want to edit the Facebook Reel after posting, then go with the upper right, which has that 3 dots icon, and tap on Edit Reel. Once you tap on Edit Reel, then you'll be able to edit the caption. Like if you've not added any caption, then you can simply go and edit or add a caption and go with the hashtag and tag someone or mention someone, and you can edit who can see this reel. You can go with public or friends accept. You can hide from certain friends and go with save. That's how you can edit your Facebook reel after posting. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.